Hello student, this lecture is for grade 8 science and today we will continue chapter number 2 which is microorganisms, friend and foe, and the topic which we will discuss today is food poisoning and food preservation. As you know, we are discussing the harmful effects of microorganisms, so obviously this topic is also related with harmful effects of microorganisms. How? Let me tell you. So let's start with food poisoning. What is food poisoning? What are the causes of it and what are the effect of food poisoning, and how we can cure the condition food poisoning. We will discuss these all things. So what is food poisoning in actual mean? It is the illness resulting from eating food or drinking water contaminating poisonous substances including bacteria, viruses, pesticide or toxins. The food poisoning is the disease और illness जो कि contaminated फूड मटेरियल के खाने से होती है, और ये कंटेमिनेटेड फूड मटेरियल कंटेमिनेटेड होता कैसे है? ड्यू टू एक्शन ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. एक्चुअली ये माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स कुकड और रॉ फूड मटेरियल पर अटैक करके उसमें मल्टीप्लाई करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, अपना रिप्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट कर देते हैं और उस फूड मटेरियल को स्पॉइल कर देते हैं. और ये स्पॉइल हमको पता पड़ती है ड्यू टू बैड स्मेल और बैड टेस्ट ऑफ दैट फूड मटेरियल्स. ये माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स स्टेल फूड पर, बासी फूड पर इजीली ग्रो करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, वहाँ पर रिप्रोडक्शन एंड मल्टीप्लाई स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. एंड दे ऑल्सो रिलीजेस टॉक्सिक और पॉइजनस मटेरियल ऑन द फूड आइटम. एंड ड्यू टू दिस टॉक्सिक और पॉइजनस मटेरियल the smell as well as the taste of food get spoiled, and if we consume that spoiled food, that we will get the condition known as food poisoning. With it, one more cause of food poisoning is consuming of the food which grown in excess amount of pesticides. If we are suffering the condition known as food poisoning after consuming contaminated food, so the symptoms may be pain in abdominal area. Second, diarrhea. Diarrhea means loose motions. Third, fever. Fourth, nausea means सिर चकराना, vomiting, and malaise मतलब uneasy feel करना. These all are symptoms for condition known as food poisoning. Now once again a repetition of the term food poisoning. So food poisoning, which is also called foodborne illness, and this illness is caused by eating contaminated food, and this contaminated food is spoiled due to action of infectious organisms which are bacteria, viruses and parasites or their toxins. Food poisoning may be very dangerous for humans, as it may be the cause of death of contaminated person, so it is very necessary to take a visit of doctor after food poisoning. So how can we prevent the condition known as food poisoning, and how can we prevent our food items by getting spoiled due to action of microorganisms? Now we will discuss this thing in the form of food preservation methods. So what is food preservation? The term food preservation refers to any one of a number of techniques used to prevent food from spoiling, and it includes methods such as canning, pickling, drying and freeze drying, irradiation, pasteurization, smoking, and the addition of chemical additives. फूड प्रिजर्वेशन की ये मेथड्स हमारे फूड को कंटेमिनेटेड और स्पॉइल होने से प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं. एंड नाउ वी विल डिस्कस सम ऑफ देम फूड प्रिजर्वेशन मेथड. सो द फर्स्ट मेथड ऑफ फूड प्रिजर्वेशन इज केमिकल मेथड. बाय एडिंग सॉल्ट, शुगर, विनेगर एंड एडिबल ऑयल्स we can check the growth of microorganisms. We can stop the growth of microorganisms in our food items. And the chemicals such as salt, sugar, acetic acid or vinegar and other edible oils are also known as preservatives. For example, by adding salt or acid preservatives into pickles, we can prevent the pickles from the attack of microbes. And some common preservatives are sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfite. These chemical preservatives are also be used in jam and squashes or juices to check their spoilage from the growth of microbes. And by adding sugar in jams, jellies and squashes, we can make them preserve from attack of microbes, especially from the attack of bacteria. And as I told you, by using of oil and vinegar, we can prevent the spoilage of pickles because bacteria cannot live in such as environment. ऐसे environment में जिसमें ज़्यादा ऑयल और विनेगर यूज़ हुआ हो उसमें माइक्रोब्स ग्रोथ नहीं कर सकते, स्पेशली बैक्टीरिया. And by adding oil and vinegar, we can prevent vegetables, fruits, fish and meat from get spoiled. Now, preservation by common salt. We can preserve meat and fish for ages by adding salt in them. As dry salt check the growth of bacteria, ये बैक्टीरिया की ग्रोथ को रोक देता है. Salting is also used to preserve आंवला, raw mangoes means amchur and tamarind means imli. And now preservation of food items by heat and cold treatment. आपने अपनी मम्मा को मिल्क बॉईल करते हुए देखा होगा, तो why she do so? She do so to kill many microorganisms, as boiling kills many microorganisms. With it, हम रेफ्रिजरेटर में फूड आइटम्स क्यों रखते हैं? बिकॉज लो टेम्परेचर इनहेबिट्स द ग्रोथ ऑफ माइक्रोब्स. And now you know high temperature as well as low temperature both are not suitable for the growth of microbes. And now we will discuss a special kind of food preservation method which is known as pasteurization. And in this process the milk is heated to about 700 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. And by doing so, it prevents the growth of microbes. This method is strongly useful to preserve the milk from the growth of microbes, in which without boiling the milk is making free from microbes. हमारा जो पैक्ड मिल्क आता है सरस और अमूल एक्सेट्रा का, वो भी पाश्चराइजेशन मेथड के थ्रू प्रिजर्व्ड होता है. द प्रोसेस ऑफ पाश्चराइजेशन वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय लुइस पाश्चर एंड सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड पाश्चराइजेशन in the honor of Mr. Louis Pasteur. And the last method for food preservation which we discussed today is storage and packing. So nowadays dry fruits, even vegetables are sold in sealed airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes. और इस स्टोरेज एंड पैकिंग मेथड से हम अच्छी तरह से वाकिफ़ है. एज जो चिप्स वगैरह हम खाते हैं, मोस्टली जो फूड आइटम हम खाते हैं वो स्टोरेज एंड पैकिंग मेथड से प्रिजर्व होता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट टुडेज लेक्चर. स्टे एट होम एंड डिफीट द कोरोना. थैंक यू.